একটু ওয়েট করো দিচ্ছি।
Students are trying to eat the biscuit without touching it by the hand. It looks interesting. They are looking like real birds. We have got first and second position. We are waiting for the third position. Let them finish the whole biscuit. At least they can eat something.
এই তো বোঝে না যে
Students, finish the biscuit. If you cannot become the winner, now you can use your hand. Take. I would like to request our staff and sisters to collect the trash. Shokol sister or please people, Tanzimul Umahis Madrasa Al Arfasha. We welcome sir to our. Students are trying to. Students are getting ready for school. Let's see who can be the champion. They are collecting. The teachers are requested to make their students ready for the event immediately after this one.
নাজিম বলে আমি কালকে থার্ড হয়েছিলাম, মাইশা মিস আমাকে দেয় নাই।